wrist spin is also called as leg spin. So why it is wrist spin? Because the spin of the ball, the leg spin will start with the fingers, okay, and it finish with the wrist movement. That's why it is wrist spin. So leg spin, as we know, a ball which is pitched on the leg side, and after pitching the ball, it moves towards the offside of a right-handed batter. That is known as leg spin. So before going to that, we must know about the grip of leg spin. What is that? Grip the ball across the seam. So this is the across the seam. Grip the ball like this across the seam with index and middle finger and ring finger. Now the ball is spun with the ring finger. Okay, so what is that? See, this is the grip. The ball is across seam. The index finger, middle finger placed over here. Okay, see, ring finger over here. This is the grip. Okay, now here thumb will act as the resistance upon which ring finger spins the ball. So thumb finger, whenever it will create the resistance, ring finger will spin the ball. It will facilitate to spin the ball with the help of the ring finger. Now, where should be the release position? Release the ball away from the head. Okay, so as we know, this is the vertical position, close to the head. This is away from the head, just like the 11 a.m. So if it is 12 o'clock, now it's 11 o'clock. So 11 a.m. from 11 a.m. the bowler should release the ball. At release, now after release, now what to do? At release, back of the hand, the back of the hand faces towards the mid-off for the right-handed batter. See, the back of the palm will be towards the mid-off. Then the spin of the ball points towards gully. So though, see, whenever you spin the ball, the seam of the ball, whenever it is traveling in the air, it should be point towards the gully as it goes down the pitch. So it is down the pitch, the seam pointed towards the gully, and delivery stride slightly longer and across. So whenever our leg spinner in the run up and the delivery stride should be longer and across to the pitch to create angle, so that it will help the bowler to turn the ball. Now we'll talk about the variation of leg spinner's top spin. So in top spin, bowler used as a variation. Here the ball pitched and goes straight away a little bit with the help of a little bit bounce. In leg spin, the ball moves from leg to off, and here the ball will pitch and it will go straight and with the help of a little bit bounce. How to grip the ball? Same as the normal spinner's grip of leg spin. Release the ball from the vertical with the back of the palm finger facing towards the cover. So when I release the ball from the vertical position, see my back of the palm facing towards the cover. Okay, the seam of the ball should be pointing towards the batsman. See, whenever you are releasing the ball, the seam of the ball will be towards the batter. Okay, as the ball travels in the air. Delivery stride should be shorter than normal, as the ball has to be delivered from top. So as like leg spin, it should not be. Here, little bit shorter delivery stride should be, and it should be delivered from the top of the head. Okay. Now we'll talk about another variation of leg spin, that is the googly, the wrong arm. What does it mean? It seems that the bowler will deliver the ball as like leg spin, but the ball will act as up spin. What does it mean? In leg spin, the ball pitches on the leg stump and it will travel towards the off stump for a right-handed batter. But in googly, the bowler will bowl as like leg spin, but the ball will pitch onto the offside and it will travel towards the leg side. Here the judgment factors. If the batter will unable to judge the ball, he may get out. We have seen different bowlers who bowls very well googly. The master of googly, Shane Warne. Now we have to know about the grip of the ball. The grip will be same as leg spin. As like leg spin, you have to grip the ball. Just before release, the front shoulder dips slightly angularly. Okay, see, dip slightly angularly. Release the ball slightly away from the head like this. See, slightly, this is the close to the head, so slightly away from the head. At release, back of the hand faces towards the ground. So, which will help the bowler to bowl googly. So, this, if you see, this is the leg spin. Watch the ball properly. This is the leg spin. Okay. Now, this is the googly, the wrong one. See the seam of the ball. It is traveling towards the gully. See, it is traveling towards the gully. Now, whenever you googly, the seam travels towards the batter. See. See the seam of the ball. This is the difference in between leg spin and googly. So these are all about the leg spin and its variations. Keep practicing spinning the ball. Keep spinning. If you have ability to spin the ball. Thank you.